The Woven Picot is an easy 3D stitch. Draw a horizontal and perpendicular line to guide us. The vertical stitch is the length of our stitch and the horizontal base is the width. Begin by inserting a needle or a pin on the length of the stitch. Then use the working needle to come out of one side of the horizontal line. Loop it under the needle and go in through the other side. A sort of triangular base is made. Now, come out from the left side of the needle on the horizontal line and go under the needle. Start making basket weaves between these 3 base stitches. Go up and down without plugging the fabric underneath and without splitting the threads in the process. If it helps, use a blunt needle. Push the weaves up with the needle to tighten the gaps each time you pass. Also, do not pull the weaving thread too tight as it will distort the shape of the triangular petal. Weave till you reach the bottom and finish up by passing through the right side of the needle. Pull out the supporting needle or pin. That's it. Your Woven Picot is ready. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment to let me know. Check the links in the description to support us. This is Sarah from Sarah's Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.